Okay guys, welcome to video number 2. So in this video we will start doing some creating some JSON objects. So the first thing you have to do is create a normal web page. Okay, put your HTML tags in here. I forgot to put the head tags here. Okay, so in your body section here we will create now some div ID, close div, and another div ID equals another div, and one more div equals, and here another div. Okay, and you can put a line break here and a line break there as well. And before the div you can type here name, age, and phone. Okay, now down here we will create an input type equals button, and on click is going to be equal to let's call this go. Okay, now here is where we will create our first JSON object. So to do that we simply have to create a variable, and you can type this, let's call this, you can name it whatever you want. Okay, it's a normal variable, and I'm gonna call it JSON object equals curly braces. Okay, and inside here we will create our first JSON objects. Okay, so you have to type first, before anything, you have to type the the double quotes. Okay, and let's type name, and then you type out of the double quotes a colon, and then double quotes again, and now you type whatever value you want to refer to this thing here, the name attribute. Okay, and I'm gonna call it John, and now after that you type a colon. Okay, now this is a full object with an attribute and a value. This is a full object of JSON. Okay, and as you can see, this is going to be pretty much as an associative array on PHP. Okay, where we have a value, a name or an attribute and a value to it. Okay, normally in PHP we would type something and then use this symbol to put value to it related to this name or attribute. Okay, but in JSON we do this way. So now we type age and 33, separate by a comma, and now let's do phone, double quotes, and let's type whatever you want, blah blah blah, names. Okay, comma. Now let's save this, and in here I'm gonna say document dot get element by ID, and this is going to be name, which is this one here. Let's type here name, age, and phone. So name dot inner HTML equals, where is it, equals the name of the variable that holds the JSON objects. So JSON object, and dot, and now you type whatever attribute you want to output. Okay, if I type name, it will output John. If I type age, it will output 33. So let's type name here, and now let's do the same for age and phone. Okay, let's copy this, copy, and paste it here as well. We just have to change this to age, in here phone, and here phone. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to output all this whenever I click in go, or whenever I click the function go. So function go, and wrap it up in here, save it, and let's see if this works. Let's run it. Chrome. Well, this is very ugly. Let's change some things here. You can take the line breaks out. Let's save it, and in here, let's give it a value to the button, which is going to be go. Let's save this. Let's run this again. Okay, there it is. When I click it, and let's type here line breaks for all. Break line break. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's refresh. When I click go, there it is. Okay, name John, 33, and for blah blah blah. This is how we can call, okay, and output values from JSON objects whenever we want to. Okay, so this is all for this video. In the next video, we will learn some more advanced stuff on JSON, and see you guys later. Bye.